2 months, 13 destinations, one incredible country. We traded our comfort zone for this. From the rush of quad biking through rice paddies to the serenity of swimming with manta rays, Indonesia threw everything at us. Active volcanoes, hidden waterfalls, traditional ceremonies, and enough beaches to last a lifetime. Join us as we explore the magic of Indonesia, one adventure at a time.
We're heading to Penida.
I've only been there about 20 minutes, but we've decided to leave.
5 out of 10.
It's about our unpopular opinion.
No,
listen, tell me more.
I will tell you more. What we got for £15.50 a night.
Right there, mate. Getting that shot. People like constantly risking it for the picture.
Yeah, there's electrolytes in.
Good turtle down there, look. Let's go.
So today we are heading to Penida. So last day on Lembongan, or last morning, should I say. Back at
recommend it.
Back at Ombak. Asiabong. Yeah, what's your? Do you like Lembongan?
Love it.
Love it.
It's been amazing.
You get on Adina Bridge and we're on road to Penida. We're meant to come on at 1:30, but it's literally 12:30 and they said we can go on, so yeah, here we are. It's so clear. Wow. We have arrived on the boat. It was so quick and easy. You get off at the beach, so bear that in mind, sandy toes. But I want to show you a room tour because this is what we got for £15.50 a night. And we never do room tours, so I need to do one. So here we go. Got cute Jameson over there. Number 1. So this is what we have. So nice. High ceiling, didn't even realise that. Lovely wooden, I don't know what to call it, wooden, I don't know, hut. Then the bathroom. Mahusive. So yeah, that's what you get for £15.50 a night in Nusa Penida. Good morning, guys. It's the first morning here. It's currently 10 o'clock and we just got our breakfast delivered to our door, which happens every single morning. So we've got pancakes, give us fruit, we've got pineapple juice. You can choose tea or coffee or juice, or you can have scrambled egg, different kinds of egg, omelette. But yeah,
That's too good.
so excited.
Good afternoon.
Guys. So today we're heading to Diamond Beach and then to... No, we're going
the
to
Treehouse Viewpoint first and then Diamond Beach. We're heading out hella late, but it is what it is. Island life.
It's nearly 1 o'clock.
We had breakfast served to us, as you would have seen. Then we went straight back to bed, and then now we're just finally getting out.
We're
so
just tired.
Come along, let's go and see Diamond Beach and Treehouse Viewpoint together. Let's go. Day number 1 in Nusa Penida.
So we just stopped off and we were like, oh, we need petrol. Like next time we see somewhere, we'll stop. And it was literally this is what we saw. So this is petrol garage. Got a full bottle for 40, or you got 20 for a litre. So we just done it. We had 2 bars, dropped down to 2 bars, and we just put a full bottle, and it seems perfect.
We have finally arrived. What a drive.
Wow.
Like, when it said 50 minutes on the sat nav, I was like,
No,
cool.
it said an hour. When we
Yeah.
it said an hour and 6 minutes. Because what we done was, I put car on because when we're in Lembongan, if you put on bike, sometimes it takes you down some horrible
Dodgy roads, yeah.
like roads that aren't even roads.
Yeah.
So put it on car and then
Put it on car. But just expect a long drive, like, and don't do it in the afternoon like us, because now we've only got so long here, and then we've got to get back before the sun starts, well, when the sun starts setting, because I don't think that would be a nice...
Really set, yeah, you won't be able to see where you're
Yeah,
going.
don't think that'd be too nice to drive in the dark, to be honest with you. Just be careful. If you haven't got experience, don't do it. If you've got experience, do it. Just know that they're pretty bad, the roads.
Well,
The
roads are smooth, but they're windy and hilly,
windy, and obviously the usual cars don't care about you, so you got to move out of the way and all this kind of thing. Yeah, it's tiring. Anyway, we're gonna go and enjoy this viewpoint. We're just walking down to it now because it's so steep down. We started going with,
just gravel.
we started going with the bike, and then was like, Actually, we don't know there's parking, but there is. But yeah, doesn't matter.
Oh,
you win some, you lose some. Oh well. There we go. Let's go and check it out. So absolutely gorgeous. 15,000 to get in.
This is
And
your ticket.
yeah, this is the ticket. A little bottle of water with a ticket on it. Does the job, I guess. Let's go and
Quite a lot of
check it out.
building going on around.
Yeah. Everywhere, even on the roads and that. That was what I forgot to mention. There was one point it was one way because they're working on the roads and stuff. So when you come, it might be a little bit better. But
It wasn't awful. It wasn't that bad.
trying to see if we can see Diamond Beach because that's our next stop. Hopefully, we're trying to do those two today. Let's go down. How gorgeous is this?
Oh look, it's got coconut chains.
The old mischievous things.
Them ones
Can't
are well.
lie, do not like them at
No.
all. But they're here.
Right.
It's a cool sign. Beautiful view. A lot of people say easy down, hard up. They've been saying this, they've been coming up, sweating. This is definitely worth it. Look at that bit there. How cool is that? Definitely worth the hour neggy drive. Oh yeah, not for you, passenger princess.
No, I had, you know when you're
Oh,
sweaty. No,
oh,
listen, girls
oh!
understand.
Tell me more. Tell me more.
I will tell you more. When, girls understand when you wear your short shorts
Oh.
and you're sweating and it like tearing along
We
the
don't
leather.
care. I think that's Diamond Beach over there. Absolutely gorgeous. I can't lie. Absolutely stunning.
You're carrying this away.
Yeah. I don't mind carrying it now. I said that.
No, I'm fine carrying it now. I'm full good. What's on your baby?
Dust. These nuts.
We are back.
We're at the
Made
top.
It up. And I've timed it for you guys. It took me 8 minutes and 54 seconds.
Didn't vlog the walk back up because none of you want to hear us.
Yeah. But my tip is use different legs when you step and use the rope. Just put your weight on the rope.
Yeah.
Unless you're extremely heavy, then maybe don't. And that, it was pretty decent, but we want to tell you some
Yeah.
prices.
On the way down, Love Heart, 50,000. I've won 50,000. You want to do the treehouse? It's going to set you back 75,000.
75,000.
Look at them. I've got 2 Sprites and we're going to walk over to that point over there. Cheers. There's that little monkey. I can't see him. Right, let's go. People like constantly risking it for the picture, like, come on mate, like, he's just climbed down there. It's not worth it.
So we have found out that there's 2 beaches. We've got Diamond Beach down this cliff face and
That's a beach down there. It looks like it's got loads of like restaurants and stuff on that one. So yeah, it depends what you fancy. We don't fancy the walk down after that little walk at Treehouse, so we're going up there for a chill there for an hour and then we go back home. Or go back to the restaurant, maybe Sunny Cap again. That was nice.
we were all the way over there. And this is, it doesn't even do it justice really, honestly. Especially where it's in the shade, but this is the climb down you're doing. And then down there somewhere. And it's cute, it's got this little jungly palm tree bit here, which is really cool. But I don't even think that there's people swimming, but it's quite dangerous apparently, so let's bear that in mind. I think it is just that little bit there that you can swim. But I think if you're going to spend the whole day here, that's pretty cool, but bring your own snacks, because otherwise you're doing trips up and down here and I don't think you want to. Pardon me, fizzy Sprite. So ladylike.
They said you might be able to see some.
See the
The turtle down there, look. He just dipped up a minute ago. So, yeah, there. He just dipped up a minute ago. Turtle, you can see his arms flapping. Where's he gone? There, look.
Oh, that one?
Yeah.
Ah, no, that one is there as well, it is.
Well, yeah, I've got one.
No.
Where's the other one?
So after a long drive and a numb bum, we finally got to Scenic Path again. And yeah, we're gonna have loads of food here. So anyone was wondering, this is the menu. So do breakfast, drinks, happy hour. So yeah, the pesto pasta was good. James had the yes burger, which I'm having today, and he can't decide what he's having. We've ordered quite a lot. I think Jameson's belly is bigger. Was it his eye? His eyes are bigger than his belly, like he always is. But he says he's gonna finish it all. So yes, we've got spring rolls, num num num, nachos, which is pretty much all him because I don't like the sauce. I eat some of the stuff that is non-saucy, which is not a lot. And then obviously he's got. What did you go for in the end? A burger.
Burrito.
A burrito.
Mexican theme.
Mexican theme, apart from the spring roll.
Look at all this. Spring rolls, nachos,
Sorry.
burrito,
Kind of
and
ruining
Cam's
it, but I
chicken
don't want
burger.
Okay, I'm sorry, it's like absolutely awful, but so the other night, or last night, we thought we had poo on the floor. James thought it was Oreo and it wasn't, it was poo, we think. And then I heard something, we literally turned the light off, heard something, like as if something fell. We had a spider in our room the other day, right? And we lost it, so we was like, I don't know where the f that's gone, so I thought, oh, maybe it's like that falling off like the curtain again or something. And then I looked to the end of the bed and there's like a thing, and again it looks like poo. And oh my god, I've just looked up and I think, sorry my zoom's really, that's as far as I can zoom. I think that's an animal head, like a gecko or a snake or some type of lizard, but it's terrifying. Oh, it doesn't even look bad. I don't want to take a picture of it on the camera because I don't want the flash to make it move. James is gonna get the woman and it's like 12 at night. But no way am I sleeping with that in here. The animal, it just moved, its head just moved. I was like, I'm getting off that bed. If it's a gecko or something, that's fine. It's f***ing huge, but oh my god, if that's a snake, get it away. Don't know why snakes exist, I'm sorry. I've got a stick. So we can confirm it was a gecko and it was huge. It was so fat and he got it out and it's still alive.
Maybe wounded.
Maybe a bit wounded.
But he shat in our room on our
No,
bed,
that
like,
doesn't.
twice.
We didn't harm. We didn't know what he was gonna do, so we didn't harm it, and it didn't. It's still alive, so I don't. Yeah, I think if it
Traumatic
might be a bit
experience.
wounded, but it will make a full recovery. I'd like to think, but hell, that is scary. I thought it was a snake, but like its face. Oh, it was huge. I don't even want to go to bed now because it's like up there and it's freaking me out. First a spider, now a bloody huge ass, thick ass gecko. This is breakfast today. We got egg instead, watermelon, juice. Nice. So as you can see behind me, it starts getting really busy. So there'll be men that stop you and you have to pay 5,000 to get in. And then there's some men that one man was going this way and the other man was going the other way. So and then he got annoyed.
It's very confusing. He's like, go. And I was like, what do you mean?
Yeah, they're a bit impatient and it's just really busy. So be prepared for that.
Just following the masses because it is so busy. But they do tours from Bali all the way to here and back in a day, so I'm not surprised.
What the hell? Funfair ride?
What is that? Yeah,
It's a funfair ride.
crazy. So we're just walking down. I see how many people are on this thing. Nah, just follow. This is how far the Bali tour guides go for you.
So this is what you see when you first come down and
Typical hands
oh
up
my god,
pose.
monkeys.
Of course there's monkeys. Right there, mate. He's getting that shot. One of my favourite drinks out here. He's got it. Sorted.
Get those electrolytes in.
It's absolutely gorgeous, but I do think Diamond Beach is better. Unpopular opinion, Diamond Beach is better because there is not all of these people here. People climbing in trees and all sorts. But we need to get out of the way because now I think I've only been here about 20 minutes, but we've decided to leave because it's too busy.
5 out of 10. 5.
I mean, if we, it is
5 for the view.
Yeah.
Everything else just ruins it.
It's our own fault because we didn't come super early either, but I hate having to get up super early, so we're moving on to the next place.
Get up super early. Do you know
No,
what I mean?
I know. We're going to the next place. Angel Billabong. Let's go.
Bundle. We're heading to Angel Billabong now because this place is so busy, so we're gonna go there. And one thing I recommend with Nusa Penida is rent a bike, because you can't really do anything if you don't rent a bike. Or get a driver, but I think it's cheaper to rent a bike. But if you can't ride a bike, then don't ride a bike.
Out of the way, please.
I don't encourage anyone for unsafe driving.
Jump on the wheel.
On the bike we get. Let's go! As well, I feel like Nusa Lembongan is very chill and this place is a bit more adventure, so just bear that in mind, but I think they're both equally as good as each other. So I can't tell you what our favourite islands are yet. Plus we need to go to the gilly ones. Oh my god, let me show you. Traffic, and he nearly reversed into these. Ooh. Don't get me wrong, the view is absolutely incredible, but it's very, very, very busy. These are the guys who you pay. So you got the ticket and the money.
We have arrived at Angel's Billabong. Just walking around to it now. The usual love heart. Picture opportunity. Always there. We've been really unlucky with the drone today. It seems like it's going to be too windy here as well. Can't get the weather up to check the wind, but by the feel of things, it looks like it's going to be too windy.
Very similar to the Devil's Tears.
Yeah.
If you haven't seen the
Go back to that one. Leaves it out. So this is the bit where, if you look on TikTok, like the waves can come up as high and they've like washed people out to the side of here. Crazy. But yeah, it just feels hella busy like the last place. This is Broken Beach.
This is really pretty.
Beautiful. "40 minutes of driving, we have arrived at Coco Penida. Look at this view, incredible." Hello.
Oh, it's gone now. You took too long. Today we are snorkeling with manta rays.
What an amazing trip that was. Definitely recommend it. Absolutely incredible. As you would have seen, turtles, manta rays, and lots of fishes. Definitely go. Given this gift